Which of the following best describes the overall theme of nature's resilience as depicted in the examples? Correct answer is resilience, renewal, and the ability to adapt and overcome. This theme highlights how nature, despite facing challenges or seeming endings, demonstrates incredible strength. It renews itself, adapts, and overcomes obstacles, showing us the power of resilience.